This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to color your animation. First, understand that effective coloring enhances storytelling and character appeal. Begin by choosing a color palette that truly reflects your animation's mood and message. This foundational step is crucial for visual consistency. Next, prepare your line art carefully, making sure all your lines are completely closed. This prevents color from spilling and makes the filling process much smoother and more efficient. Once your line art is ready, it's time to dive into color selection. Use digital color wheels and online palette generators to find harmonious combinations that pop. Don't be afraid to experiment with various brushes and fill tools. They can add unique textures and depth to your characters and backgrounds. Familiarize yourself with your animation, software's specific coloring features, and shortcuts to significantly speed up your workflow and achieve professional results. Now for the application. Start by applying your base colors to each distinct area of your animation using the Fill Bucket tool. This creates a clean foundation. Next, add shadows and highlights on separate layers. This gives you much greater control over adjustments and corrections later on. Remember to use soft brushes for smooth gradients and transitions, and switch to hard brushes when you need sharp, defined edges to give your animation that polished look. Finally, it's time for the finishing touches. Carefully review your entire animation for color consistency, ensuring there are no missed spots or jarring transitions. Make any necessary adjustments to color balance and saturation to truly enhance the overall visual impact and bring your animation to life. And speaking of preparation, if you're looking for ways to make your meal prep easier, check out the link in the description for some fantastic leak-proof containers. You'll also find other great deals there to help streamline your creative process and daily life.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.